The Pixel Buds Pro are Google's latest pair of wireless earbuds. The company's fourth attempt in this product category is the most expensive and feature-rich one so far. While the initial models got a mixed reception, the company has gotten steadily better at it with each iteration. The Pixel Buds Pro will undoubtedly be the best one so far. The question is Google best good enough in the current competitive market, especially at the $200 asking price? Time to find out. The Pixel Buds Pro design is an evolution of the 2020 Pixel Buds and 2021 Pixel Buds A series designs, both of which had identical snail-shaped parts. The Pixel Buds Pro used the hooks for securing the in place. The shape of the earbuds is now more bulbous and less elegant. Likely to house the extra bits of hardware needed to enable the ANC features, it does not look all that different, however, when it's inside your ears. Like the Pixel Buds 2020 and the A series, the Pixel Buds Pro only feature color on the circular part facing outside. You can choose from coral, fog, charcoal and lemongrass. The rest of the earbuds remain black. The outside of the earbud has lots of little grills and ports. There are two grills for the microphone and a port on the bottom for venting the driver. On the back side are the contacts for the charging case. Hidden below is the optical sensor for in-ear detection. The charging case is finished in matte white plastic regardless of the color of the earbuds. The outer surface has a wonderfully smooth texture that almost feels like ceramic. Inside the case has a matte black finish again with a really nice texture. The edges of the lid are perfectly polished and the hinge has very little play. The lid also stays in place when open and doesn't threaten to snap shut while you are trying to pull the earbuds out. The overall build quality and feel of the case are top-notch. Little details like the reassuring heft, the solid hunk of the lid opening and closing, and soft glow of the white status LED through the plastic on the front convey that a lot of thought went to designing the case, even thought it looks similar to many other models on the market. Having tested most of these, I can say very few look and feel as good in the hand. The earbuds build is nothing special. In fact, I was quite disappointed by how easy it is for them to look dirty after being in contact with skin oils, which for a product designed to sit inside your ears isn't very well thought out. The charcoal model also makes this rather easy to notice, when they are also annoyingly difficult to pull out of the case, and the small rounded design makes them fiddly to place inside your ears, especially with sausage fingers. The good thing is that both the earbuds and the case have some level of water resistance. The earbuds are IPX4 rated while the case is IPX2. Neither will survive being dipped in water, but minor splashes, rain or sweat should pose no problems. The Pixel Buds Pro have mostly good latency performance. Watching video content, they tend to sync well right off the bat when the video starts, and unless you mess around, things stay that way. However, doing things like changing the video resolution in the YouTube app or adjusting the playback position can cause the sync to go out of whack, and it takes several seconds before it can correct itself. As usual, I would not recommend Bluetooth earbud for gaming unless it's strictly casual. The Pixel Buds Pro also don't have any low latency mode for gaming. Despite their myriad software issues, the Pixel Buds Pro maintained a stable connection to the source device at all times, and there were no connections dropouts observing during testing. Multi-point functionality also worked as expected, with both source devices remaining connected with the earbuds and the earbuds automatically managing the source device for audio and calls. The Pixel Buds Pro have a claimed battery life of 7 hours with ANC enabled and 11 hours with ANC disabled. Google has also claims that 5 minutes of charging can provide 1 hour of playback with ANC, and 15 minutes of charging can provide 3 hours of playback with ANC. In my testing, the Pixel Buds Pro played for an impressive 8 hours 15 minutes with ANC disabled. They played for an outstanding 13 hours. The 5-minute charge provided 1 hour 17 minutes of playback, while the 15-minute charge provided 3 hours 22 minutes of playback.